You've been lied to about French conjugation. Textbooks want you to memorize 100 endings. But today, you will learn that one trick that works for 90% of verbs. Why are you struggling? Textbooks teach rules, not patterns. Nobody shows the secret connections. Ready for the truth? Meet your new verb besties. Let's meet ER Ella, the popular one. Manger, parler, aimer. Ici, she's our fancy friend. Finir, choisir, réussir. And R.E. Bell, the mysterious one. Attendre, vendre, répondre. Their secret? Chop the tail first. Let's look at ER's formula. We have E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. But special agents need tools. For GER verbs, add E for soft G. The French like things to be soft and not hard. So it's not mangeant. It becomes mangeant. For CER, add the cedilla, that's the cedille, for soft S. So it's not commençant. It becomes commençant. Regular, easy, special, just tweak it a little bit. IR's signature move, let's look at them. IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Ici always brings a is crew. After chopping the tail, you add the endings. The endings are the formula for each verb. Je finis. Tu finis. Il finit. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Ils finissent. Elles finissent. R is stealth mode. S. S. Then nothing. Then we have ONS, EZ, ENT. R.E. Bell's superpower? Silent endings. J'attends. Tu attends. Il attend. Nous attendons. Vous attendez. Ils attendent. Elles attendent. No S here. Perfect silence. ER and RE, they share ONS and EZ. IR, it's a total lone wolf. But ER sometimes accessorizes. That's why we have the GER and CER. So you tweak it a little bit. ILS endings, they are all silent for all three family of verbs. Now there are three bulletproof rules for all family of these verbs. Number one, je and tu for ER verbs, they end in E and ES. For IR verbs, they end in IS. And for RE verbs, they end in S. Number two, for nous and vous, ER and RE share ONS and EZ. You add an E or a cedilla for the verbs in GER and CER, like we mentioned earlier. IR for nous and vous uses ISSONS and ISSEZ. Number three, for ILS, that's a third person plural, they all have silent endings. Smash that like button if verbs finally clicked. Tag a friend drowning in conjugation hell. Subscribe for more lessons. Go conjugate! Remember, more patterns, less memorization. À tout à l'heure!